Introducing the MikroTik SXT LTE6 kit. Available now at linktex.net. This is a great solution for providing reliable wireless cell phone signal coverage in remote rural areas on a budget. So let's see what it can do for you. This unit delivers signal coverage in tough environments thanks to its advanced LTE chip design, high gain antenna, and compact case that's easy to mount high up on poles, fences, towers, or other remote locations. This is a Category 6 LTE modem fully compatible of carrier aggregation, so you can use multiple LTE bands simultaneously as you add more users to your network. To achieve better wireless performance, it supports a wider voltage range of 18 to 57 volts with 802.3af/AT compliance. You get an R8 3G category, 2x2 MIMO, DL, and LTE FDD bands. It's a lot of performance in a small package. These LED indicator lights give you signal strength feedback. Behind this protective hatch, with cable cutout, you get two 10/100 Ethernet ports with passive PoE in, out. You also get two SIM slots and one mini PCIe slot. So you have multiple options and lots of flexibility for your setup installation. Each unit is powered by a 650 MHz single-core CPU, 64 MB of RAM, 16 MB of flash storage, router OS 3, 21 watts max power consumption, and an operating temperature range of -40 to 60 degrees Celsius with passive cooling. Each unit includes this 24-volt power adapter, PoE injector, pole mounting bracket, metal ring for pole mounts, and full documentation, so you're ready to install right out of the box. Durable, reliable, easy to set up, and packed with great features, this solves a lot of problems at a low price. Overall, the MikroTik SXT LTE6 kit is a great solution for your high-speed networking needs, so be sure to get yours now before it's sold out. To learn more or to get one for yourself, give us a call at 314-735-0270 or visit linktex.net. Thanks for watching, keep moving those packets, and have yourself a great day.